How to view CapCut history. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can view CapCut history or how you can view CapCut editing history. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through this video. Now, in order to view CapCut history or the editing history on CapCut, it is pretty simple. Simply go ahead and open up CapCut, right? Once you open up CapCut here, you should get an interface somewhat like this. You can see I'm on the templates page. Head over to edit page. Now on the projects, you can see my previous projects here. All the previous projects, it'll just pop up here. So you can simply swipe down from the home screen on the edit page. On the projects, you should be able to see all the projects history here. Similarly, if you open up the certain project that you have edited there, now here I've deleted this project, but you'll be able to see the project editing history. So you can tap on here, the arrow icon, you can see the front and back. You can simply head back, tap on it, and go ahead and check what effects or editing you have made. So this is how you can view your editing history on CapCut. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.